let's try these Chipolata sausages. So these took 10 minutes to cook. It's thin Chipolata sausages. That's the side that was on the sizzler pan. And that's the side that was touching the flames. Very nice. Another bite of that. Very good. Try that. Try the mushroom. That's very nice. The mushroom was cooked very well. I think it's overcooked really for 10 minutes. And the mushroom has absorbed all the flavours from the Chipolata sausages. They are very delicious. Very nice. The onion. That was raw when I put it in, so let's see if that's cooked. Yes, that's cooked beautifully. I wish I'd had more room to put a few more of those in. It's absorbed the flavours again of the sausages and the mushrooms. I didn't need to add anything to this dish to make this very tasty. A bit of sausage, mushroom and onion together. Let's try it. Bit there, look at that one. Gotta eat that bit. Yum, very nice.